Hey, this is Mr. Barr, and we're going to figure out how to find distance between points using the Pythagorean theorem. Our goal, I can use the Pythagorean theorem to solve real-life problems. Our why, I want to be able to find the distance between objects. At this point, you're probably proficient with using the Pythagorean theorem to find the sides of a right triangle. Hopefully you are. You can apply the same logic to find the distance between 2 points. Could you find the distance between 3, 4 and 5, 9? What tools would you need? What strategies could you use? Well, one of the tools we'll be using today is graph paper. So 3, 4 and 5, 9. I could plot those 2 points on a coordinate system. Hopefully you remember how to plot points from earlier classes. Here's the origin. If I was going to plot, what I'm going to plot? 3, 4. So to plot 3, 4, I start right here. I go over 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, which means 3, 4 would be right about here. The other point was 5, 9. I'd go over 5 and up 9. It'd be over here somewhere. So we're going to find the distance between 2, 3 and 5, 7. So here's how I do it. I plot the 2 points, 2, 3, 2, 3, and 5, 7, 5, 7. I want to find this distance right here. This is going to be a squiggly line, but I'm looking for that distance right there. And to do it, I'm going to turn this into a triangle. It's a right triangle, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I just counted the squares, and this is 1, 2, 3, and now I'm ready to use the Pythagorean theorem. So let's start our notes. So our title is finding distance between points, so let's go with our name. So we're finding the distance between points. That's our title. And we're going to find the distance between 2, 3 and 5, 7. That's going to be a little bit tough because I'm using just lined paper, but we can do it. So here's my coordinate system. And I'm going to plot 2, 3. There's 2, 3, and I'm going to plot 5, 7. And 5, 7. And we're trying to find the distance between those 2 points. And to do this, I turn it into a right triangle. And I know this is 1, 2, 3. And 4. And using that 3 and the 4 in the Pythagorean theorem, I'm going to find the missing side, this x, this hypotenuse. So I'm going to go legs squared so 4 squared plus 3 squared. This is 16 plus 9, which is 25. And the square root of that is 5. So what are the instructions for this? Plot the 2 points, turn it into a triangle, and use the Pythagorean theorem. So step 1, plot the points. We can do this as a flow chart. So you plot the points. Draw the triangle. And then do square, square, add. Plot the points, draw the triangle, do square, square, add. And I think that's it for our notes today. Let's keep going. Let's make sure that's all I need out of the notes. 3, 4, square them. 3, 4, 5. Good. So here's an example problem. Let's find the distance. So the triangle's already drawn for us. This is 1, 2, 3. So right here, this is a 3. And this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the exact same triangle we did, except flipped around a little bit. So this is going to be a 5, right? This is 9 plus 16, which is 25. So this is going to be a 5. So we just found this distance right here. Let's do another example. I just did that one. Okay, let's find the distance between these 2 points. So we're looking for this distance right here. This is what we're about to find, this distance. So the points are already plotted. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the same triangle again. This is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Mr. Barr. All right, 2, 9 and 8, 1. Let's see if I can do this. No, I'm going to use paper for this one. This is not going in your notes. This is just me doing the problem. So I'm going to plot the points. Actually, let me start with the coordinate system. I recommend using graph paper, but I'm going to use my notes because mostly you guys use your notebooks. 2, 9. Okay, 2, 9. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 9, 8, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Step 1, I plot the 2 points. Step 2, I turn it into a triangle. And now I can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 and 8. And now I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So 8 squared plus 6 squared, that's 64 plus 36, which takes me to 100, which takes me to 10. The correct answer is 10 on this one. Yay, good job, Mr. Barr. All right, hey, that's it for the notes. Thank you for watching.